I love Texas in the springtime. I love Texas in the fall. I love Texas in the winter when it drizzles. I love Texas in the summer when it sizzles. I love Texas every moment of the year.
With smoked brisket, mesquite barbecue sauce, and jalapeno straws.
You missed a spot.
Everyone wants a taste of Texas. Introducing the Texas Barbecue Thick Burger, new at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's.
I got a fever and inflammation, that's what I got. You turn the heat on me, so I'm like it hot. Call out the engine, ring up the station, I am on the spot.
The Southwest Patty Melt with jalapenos, pepper jack cheese, and spicy Santa Fe sauce.
Love burns you up the most, like it on
The classic just got a whole lot hotter.
Baby, I like it hot.
The Southwest Patty Melt, new at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's.